Bhanu channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 in the earliest cities. This is a chapter of class 6 subject SST history. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Friends, हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 3 से पहले हम लोगों ने 2 चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स डिस्कस किए हैं. आप इस चैप्टर का वीडियो देखने से पहले उन चैप्टर्स का वीडियो ज़रूर देख लें, क्योंकि हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है. और हमारे वीडियोस अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं और हमारी वीडियोस एंड तक ज़रूर देखें. हमारे वीडियोस को बीच में स्किप कर ना जाएं. फ्रेंड्स, आपको हमारे चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करें. तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं. Question number 1. Why were metals, writings, the wheel and the fluff important for the Harappans? Answer of this question is metals, writings, the wheel and the fluff were important for the Harappans due to the following reasons. Metal. They were used for making tools, ornaments, vessels, weapons. Writing. It helped the Harappans to prepare scripts, which in turn helped in maintaining records, the seals. Wheel. It was used for pottery and for making carts used for traveling. Fluff. It was used to dig the earth for turning the soil and planting seed. Question number 2. How archaeologists discovered Harappa? Explain in 3 points. Answer of this question is around 150 years ago, when railway lines were being laid in Punjab, engineers stumbled upon the sites of Harappa. Second, then about 80 years ago, archaeologists found the site. This was one of the oldest cities in the subcontinent, as this was the first city to be discovered and described as Harappa. Third, Harappa and such sites. Harappa and such cities are believed to have developed 4700 years ago. Question number 3. What are the evidence have been found by the archaeologists in the cities of Kalibangan, Lothal and Mohenjo-daro? Answer of this question is archaeologists have found a set of unique things in almost cities. First, Kalibangan and Lothal have fire where sacrifices have been performed. Second, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal had elaborate storehouses. Third, Great Both, a special tank in Mohenjo-daro. Question number 4. Why and how seals were used in the Harappan civilization? Answer of this question is the Harappans also made seals out of stone. These were generally rectangular and usually have an animal carved and then these may have been used to stamp bags or packets containing books, clothes or ties. A layer of wet clay was applied on the knot and the seal was pressed on it. The impression of the seal is known as sealing. Question number 5. What are archaeological evidences we have got from the Harappan sites? Answer of this question is archaeologists have found a set of unique objects in the Harappan site. Red pottery painted with designs in block, stone weights, seals with writing, special beads, copper tools, round stone blades, stone statue. Question number 6. Describe the overseas trade practices of Harappa civilization in detail. Answer of this question is from the way things have been discovered, it is believed that trade also developed during the period. First, some common seals have been found in different sites. This shows that goods were exchanged between different locations. Second, stone weights found from that time also this aspect of trade. Third, raw materials such as copper, tin, gold, silver and precious stones had to be brought from distant places. Fourth, in Lothal, a huge tank dockyard may have been used where boats and ships came in from the sea and through the river channels. Question number 7. Write in detail about how cities were planned in the Harappan civilization. Answer of this question is many of the Harappan sites were divided into 2 or more parts. Usually, the part to the west was smaller but higher. Archaeologists describes this as the citadels. The part of the east was larger but lower. This is called lower town. Very often, walls of booked brick were built around each part. The bricks were be well made that they tasted for thousands of years. The interlocking of bricks made the wall strong. In some sites of this civilization, spices buildings were constructed on the citadel. For example, we can see special tank in Mohenjo-daro. It is popularly known as the Great Bath. Houses were made of bricks and mud. 2/3 storage houses have also been found. Town planners had devised a very good drainage system. Question number 8. Half the people lived in the cities got the food supplies during the Indus Valley civilization. Answer of this question is, we know from remains of plants that the Harappan grow wheat, barley, pulses, pear, rice, resham, linseed and mustard. A new tool, the plough, was used to dig the earth for the seed and planting seeds, while real plough, which were probably made of wood, have not survived. As this region doesn't receive heavy rainfall, some from the irrigation may have been used. This means that water was stored and supplied to the fields when the plants were growing. Different types of cattle were also used for food supply. They also collected fruits like bear or fish and hunted wild animals like the antelope. Question number 9. Describe in details about the Harappan town of Dholavira. Answer of this question is, the city of Dholavira was located on Kadir Boyar in the Ram of Kutch. There was fresh water and fertile soils. It is divided into 3 parts. Each part is surrounded with massive stone walls with entrance through gateways. There was also a large open area in the settlement where public ceremonies could be held. Question number 10. What is the important reasons for the extinction of the Indus Valley civilization? Answer of this question is, the following causes were probably responsible for the end of the Harappan culture. Others suggest that was deforestation. This could have happened because fuel was required for baking bricks and for melting copper areas. Besides, grazing by large herd of cattle, sheep and goat may have destroyed the green cover. In some areas there was flood. Perhaps the rulers lost control, but none of these reasons can explain the end of all these cities. In short, we can say that we are not same about the end of the Harappan culture. However, flooding or a river drying up would have had an effect in only same areas. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more videos, press bell icon. Friends, SST History all chapter series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज़ हमारी वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जिससे वो भी हमारी SST हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको जिस भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए आप हमें कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं, हम उस चैप्टर का वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।